Hi there, welcome to Supermatics Online Math YouTube channel again. In today's math tutorial, we want to find x to the fourth power plus y to the fourth power if x plus y is 3 and x squared plus y squared is 7. Follow us through to the end as we bring the solution to you. To solve this, we can first write the things given to us. The first equation is x plus y equals to 3. This we can call equation 1. Also, we're given that x squared plus y squared is equal to 7. We label this equation 2. Now, from equation 1, we are going to square both sides. When we take the square of both sides of equation 1, we're going to have the sum of the quantity x and y squared, and the right hand side is going to be 3 squared. So when we expand the left hand side, we are going to have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, and that's equal to 9. So regrouping to have x squared plus y squared, then plus 2xy is going to be equal to 9. Now, do not forget that x squared plus y squared is the quantity in equation 2, and that is equal to 7. So we're going to replace it with 7, thereby giving us 7 plus 2xy to be equal to 9. Then we subtract 7 from both sides, and we shall be left with 2xy on the left, and on the right, 9 minus 7 is 2. Dividing both sides by 2, xy is going to be 1. We can leave that as our equation 3. Now that we have these important values, we want to look for what is going to be the value of x to the fourth power plus y to the fourth power. But we are going to use this trick. We are going to expand the sum of x squared plus y squared all squared. And this is going to give us x to the fourth power plus 2 times x squared y squared plus y to the fourth power. Rearranging the right hand side, we have x squared plus y squared all squared on the left, and on the right we can bring x to the fourth power together with y to the fourth power, then plus 2. X squared plus y squared can be written as xy all squared. Now recall that x squared plus y squared is 7 from equation 2. Xy is 1 from equation 3. So substituting these values will give us 7 squared for x squared plus y squared all squared. And that's equal to x to the fourth power plus y to the fourth power plus 2 times 1 squared. 7 squared is 49. Then we've got x to the fourth power plus y to the fourth power, while the square of 1 is 1. Then multiplied by 2 is going to be 2. We subtract 2 from both sides, and 47 is the value of x to the fourth power plus y to the fourth power. Therefore, the sum of the fourth powers of x and y is 47. I believe you enjoyed the video. Please give us a like and help us share the video to reach more people. Then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you do not miss any updates from this channel. Till we see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. We say bye.